Ready to supercharge your WordPress site with powerful email marketing? Let's get Brevo set up, step by step. First, log into your WordPress admin area. We need to install the official Brevo Newsletters (SMTP) email marketing plugin. Navigate to plugins greater than add new in the search bar. Type Brevo and press enter. You should see the Brevo Newsletters (SMTP) email marketing plugin appear. Click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. Once installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to make the plugin live on your website. Now that Brevo is activated, you'll find a new Brevo menu item in your WordPress sidebar. Click on it to access the plugin settings. To connect your WordPress site with your Brevo account, you'll need your Brevo API key. If you don't have one, you can easily generate it from your Brevo dashboard. Enter your API key into the provided field and click the Connect Account button. This will establish the link between your site and Brevo. You should now see a confirmation that your account is successfully connected. This means your WordPress site is ready to send emails through Brevo. With Brevo integrated, you can now start building your email list using subscription forms and create engaging email campaigns to nurture your audience. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Brevo on your WordPress website. Start building relationships and growing your business with effective email marketing today.